I can touch it.
We are here!
It's opening day at Six Flags over Georgia.
And I got my Wonder Woman on with cape and all. Look, I'm with Santa today.
Yeah, I don't have Wonder Woman cape on, but I have my Santa mask to bring lots of joy all throughout 2021.
Yes, let's go check out the 6 of our favorite things to do in 2021 at Six Flags over Georgia.
So let's get ready, hands in the air. Opening day, Six Flags over Georgia 2021, Adventures that rock. So they will do your temperature scanning just like they did last year.
Check in progress.
Hello. And then you go right through the detectors. It's as easy as that. Good morning. Oh, we're ready to ride.
I like that energy.
And it's such a simple process now.
Yes, yes.
Love how they've streamlined it to enter the park.
Oh yeah, super easy, breezy, no touch, no taking things out of your pockets. I love it.
I love when you first come into the park, right away, if this isn't new, put it in the comments down below, but they took some of the classic Looney Tune characters and just brought it out to the forefront. Isn't that the cat that Pinky the Pew is always in love with? And Orbit the dog, and of course the classic Foghorn, blah, 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 Leghorn is right there.
So a lot of people have asked, is the whole park open?
And we can confirm as we walked around out here on opening weekend, yes, the whole park is open.
Now some rides are in fact closed.
So definitely check out the app or the website for that information.
Gotham City!
It's definitely a place to check out for 2021. They've done so much out here.
Yeah, I love it. Every time we come here, there's always something new and exciting to take a look at.
And let's go check out the status of Mindbender.
Mindbender is coming soon.
In 2021, new train, new paint. Can't wait to ride this triple looping coaster.
Woo!
Coming soon, just not open yet, but we can't wait for this.
Hey Rock, why is this coaster so important to you?
Because I and my daughter, we have ridden on 88 straight laps on this coaster, not once, but twice. And I would love to do 100 laps on it. Are you with me on that challenge?
I'm gonna do my best.
Six Flags, are you listening? I'd love to do 100 straight laps on this challenge. Mindbender, let's get it open and rock this. Want to get a preview of what those Mindbender trains are gonna look like? Look at the Gotham City signs all over the park, and you're gonna get your first glimpse, and they look spectacular. So just to give everyone a shot of the station and what's going on right now. You can see the gray track over there in between the green tracks, so that hasn't been painted yet. Everyone running on to get on Poison Ivy. So as you can see, there's still a lot of construction vehicles down there. So I'm guessing we're looking at a late spring for opening. Just to give you some more of that silver track.
Are those new lights?
And look at the paint job on it now.
Yeah.
We're here in front of Supervillain Swing, and check that out. I mean,
nice.
And it's so cool that here it is during the daytime. It's slightly overcast and cool to see it all lit up for opening day.
It really pops.
Yeah, and like I said, all new paint design on that. Absolutely love it. We even think there's been some enhancements done to the booth at Poison Ivy Toxic Spin. There, right there. If that's been here last year, let us know in the comments down below, but this is the first time I've ever noticed it. Also out here in Gotham City, they even have one of those fun photo booths. New last year and still catching a lot of attention. If you haven't gotten on, Catwoman Whip.
Has such a great collection of coasters
and rides. I can't wait. Let's go check them out.
Yeah, let's do it. Is that new paint?
Yeah, put it in the comments down below. We're in front of Daredevil Dive and we've never noted this like landing strip before.
It really caught our eye, so we had to go check it out.
Man, Lex Luthor is totally delusional.
So the sky buckets, they're still closed. Now I also noticed the sign is also down for the whole entrance leading you into the sky buckets. Will it open in 2021? Only time's gonna tell. Sandy, I don't believe it. There actually is action happening at Splashwater Falls. This is so cool. I can't believe there's work being done down there.
Rock?
Yeah.
They are leaf blowers. They are making way for the pathways from all the leaves. Why do you think that is?
I think the this guy.
What about the zebra?
Food. 2021 out here at Six Flags Over Georgia. They got so many different options to choose from.
Yeah, there's some new options. I'm excited to try.
Yeah, let's go check something out. So we told you we'd be bringing you the new food at Six Flags. And not only that, we ran into two real geeks. Behind us, we got the Crazy Pop, the Crazy Kids. They've already started chowing down on all this new food here at Six Flags. Sandy, we got the new mini tacos. You get 16 of them bad boys that Danny's already taken them away from us. We haven't even got it started. And not only that, they got a new Western burger out here at Miner's Cookhouse. Look at that. Has the onion ring on it. They've already started eating. We got to get started eating. We'll be back for more out here at Six Flags Over Georgia.
Yum, yum.
So lunch is over. What'd you think of those nachos?
Oh, they were good.
Those tacos. What am I talking about?
They were little mini tacos. And what? There's like 20 of them, weren't there?
There's
like,
16,
some,
definitely enough for two people.
Yep.
And those burgers, guys.
Amazing. Burgers are awesome.
Yeah, we gotta check those out the next time we come.
Please, yes.
So we're gonna put it in the description down below. Two real geeks, cooking with the Crazy Pop. So much stuff, so much energy and entertainment on both these channels.
Crazy Pop. He has a new channel.
Yes, new channel. What's the channel name?
Hanging with the Crazy Crew.
Hanging with
Check
the
it out.
Crazy Crew.
That's how popular this guy is. Two channels to check out. We're gonna put both of them down there. Two real geeks. Yeah.
Who does this stuff around here, man? Who is PR?
So keep following. We got a lot more Six Flags fun coming up.
Let's go.
And we heard they've got some new food out at Birds of Prey Cafe.
Let's go check it out.
The unveiling.
Somebody do
I think we're ready.
We'll keep it honest, folks.
I can touch it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at
Oh
that
my
cheese.
gosh. Look at that.
How many does it take to open a box of cheddar cheese fries?
Nobody wants to put the camera there. Oh
No.
my goodness.
Oh man, look at that. That.
Well, they didn't skip on the cheese, did they?
No, they didn't. They didn't skip on the meat either.
No, it looks good.
Yeah. Oh
I
wow.
wonder if it tastes good.
Yep.
This is definitely not what I expected. I mean, you can see the steak, the onions. You can smell it coming off that box. Guys, this is gonna be good.
Oh my God. You know what cheesesteaks from the carnivals?
Yeah.
Same exact taste. That's
Really?
a cheesesteak from a carnival, like a street fair.
Oh yeah.
Told you guys to try these. They get out here and do this. They are good. Wow. They're amazing.
Oh, that's it, Sandy. Sandy, walked the connoisseurs. They go to Disney and everywhere else.
That's the new thing that we're coming out with in this market right here.
Yeah.
Cheesesteak sandwiches also. Here's the awesome thing.
All right, I keep on hearing that these cheesesteaks fries are good. The Sandy's don't try them. Danny, Jess, they've all done tried them, and they say they are awesome. You gotta try them. They ain't lying. These are right. Man. That is it. These are going to be made on our other channel, Cooking with Rich Pop. We're going to make some of these. Might see him if you were in the kitchen. I can't even talk right. Might even see him on Adventures at Rock cooking too. Who knows? Ain't no telling. You gotta try these. These are good.
I hear a challenge. Let's do a challenge.
That's its own challenge.
Oh, look at that mouthful.
Look at that. The steak, the cheese, the fries. Oh yeah. We're definitely coming back for these. If they had a bun, can you imagine the burst of taste in your mouth? Oh, this is definitely a winner. They have a bun? Out of my way!
He's off.
And just to give you some behind the scenes here, you have hanging with the crazy crew. You got Jess behind the camera and Danny from Two Real Geeks. Sandy over here getting all the extra footage for us and always posting photos on Instagram for us. Just wanted to show you guys some what does it look like from behind the camera from all three of the channels. Six Flags, we gotta tell you, those cheesesteak fries, a definite hit.
They're great.
Yeah.
Awesome.
6 Flags, 6 thumbs up. I mean, huge. And that portion's big enough for definitely 2 people. So come on out to Birds of Prey Cafe, get in that line, and you definitely want to order some.
2 people? There were 6 of us eating all.
Yes, absolutely. If you guys haven't stopped by Coaster Candy yet, you definitely gotta come check it out, or at least on your way out and grab some snacks on the way home and check out who you ran into.
Anyway, yes, we ran into Dave, mentioned by D. You gotta check out his channel.
Oh, it's so nice to see folks coming to Georgia, coming to our home park. Excited to have you here.
And one thing that we learned just recently by the staff, that fudge that Sandy has been holding and already craving, they actually really do make it fresh here at Six Flags over Georgia. So that's so awesome, because I always thought it was this pre-packaged and came in by truck. No, they make it by hand. That's so cool to learn. Rides for kids. Shopping!
That is a cool shop.
Yeah, Six Flags is always known for having some cool merchandise.
Yeah.
So let's go inside Attitudes and check it out.
Let's do it. Santa chicken.
I can't believe this, Sandy. All Valley Karate Championship 84.
That's so cool.
Miyagi-Do Karate.
Oh yeah.
If you have not seen our Cobra Kai filming locations video, we're gonna put that in at the end of this video. You guys gotta go check it out. It's all over Georgia. So one thing you might not be aware of, Six Flags nowhere on property takes cash. So they have these convenient cash machines that convert that cash into a card that you can use to get food and get merchandise as you are in the park throughout the season. They have a lot of Wonder Woman merchandise if you're looking for it out here. Oh, I gotta have the rubber ducky.
There you go.
So much to choose from at Six Flags.
Mask-free zone.
Tired of wearing?
Front of Goliath.
Yeah, tired of wearing your mask? Six Flags understands. So all throughout the park, they have created these mask-free zones. So feel free to come in here and take a break. Did you forget your mask? They have them for sale before you even enter the park.
But no Santa Claus masks.
No. Something new we noticed is Six Flags, if you didn't know, some of the areas you go down, you go up, to give you a little bit of a workout, and to let you know how much of a workout, we've noticed they place these signs around the park just to give you an idea about the walkways and the level of those slopes. So cool to see the staff celebrating the opening of Six Flags also, because look behind me, Sandy, you can see the balloons all over the place in the employee offices.
Yay! Let's celebrate! Exactly!
Another great time for opening day, Six Flags Over Georgia 2021. Bring on this following year. Can't thank enough our great friends out here, Two Real Geeks, hanging with the crazy crew. We're gonna put both those links, like we said, in the description down below. Check out that Mindbender track. All kinds of new things happening out here for the Six Flags 2021 season. What'd you think?
Loved it! We'll be back!
Absolutely. And as we always say, make each and every day an adventure that rocks.